Hello everyone, my name is Jimmy T. Soso Jr. and today I want to share with you all about the amazing experience during our exciting educational field trip we went on recently. During the field trip, we visited Museo El Deposito where we get to explore different exhibits and learn about the history of our city. It was so interesting to see all the old artifacts and paintings that show us what life was like in the past, how much has changed over the years, like how Andres Bonifacio fought his life for the sake of his countrymen. I was so fascinated by all the hands-on activities and interactive displays. The museum was full of cool things to look and I learned a lot of new things. After that, we went to Gardenia where we got to see how bread is made. It was amazing to watch the process and to see all the machines they use to make bread, and best of all, we got to try some freshly baked bread that was so delicious. I never knew making bread could be so much fun. Lastly, we ended our field trip at Enchanted Kingdom, which was so much fun. We went on rides, played games, and had